Up, we got cornstarch on ya, and that's going in our first one. Wait, have you ever waxed your underarms before?
Nope.
No? Wait, I'm excited. And you're the first one to test new wax. You're the first model for the first product I've ever been sent. How do you feel about that?
Pretty special.
This color, it's really pretty. I think she's already dry. Dry time. Awesome. All right, ready? Go in, we're close full. How's that?
Good.
Not bad?
Mm-mm.
Still pretty elastic. It's all the tests. All right, let's go into that top section. So we're gonna lay this way. All right, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Clean pulls. Alright, more cleanup, and then on the other side, we're going to see if we can do her in 2 strips. Just because your hair goes in 2 different directions, I want to see if I don't have to do the 3rd cleanup. A little bit warmer this time around. Gorge.
Thanks.
Gorge. Gorge. I'm gonna grab a couple hairs with a tweezer. Not much left at all. I'm actually really impressed with that. That did really good. Looks good. Okay, let's move over to the other